Oh, it always feels like somebody's watching me. What's going on, y'all? Back again with another stream. Yeah, basically. So what I'm about to do is I'm just gonna play zombies for a while. Somebody joins, they join. If they don't, they don't. But I do need to level up some guns. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and level up my QBZ. I'm gonna go with Ether Shroud instead. There we go. So I'm gonna go ahead and run with my QBZ.
You've got a green light, strike team. Happy hunting.
And pray that I don't die.
Welcome to Alpha Site, strike team.
And as usual,
Let's
real
get to
quick,
work.
let me go ahead and just put everything into perspective so that I can be ready. I'm about to get hit by a zombie already. But nope, not you. There's a zombie there. So I should try mouse and keyboard play out, but I'm not going to. Yo, Bino, what's going on? How you feeling? Let me know when you get off work. I'll probably be still in the solos match.
Nazi experiments, dimensional.
Oh, you don't have Cold
the
War, do you?
undead. Shit, it must be Christmas.
Didn't know that.
We should buy lottery
Well, I knew
tickets.
that, but I didn't
Sources
realize.
say this place is ground zero.
Let me go ahead
What's
and
happening around the world right now?
share my stream
It all started
real
here.
quick.
Team, find a way in.
Where are my stream groups at? Those zombies sound loud. We're going that group, that group, that group. Can't go that way. Definitely gonna share to that group. And I'm gonna share to my timeline as usual. Alright, let's get back focused. You're dead. You're dead. You're dead. I need some background music. They were supposed to send me some background music to play my streams, but he's not. Some of my agony to beat make a beat. But it is what it is. More options. Send this to the group. Try to level the QBZ up, so. Let's see. I'm gonna go this way. See how long I can get away with just using a bowie knife on.
Who else?
Yep, that armor. Oh, that's C4? That's C4. Yo, what's going on? Y'all tuned in right now? Oh, that's C4. Might as well use this just to use it. Boom. Got a crawler, which I don't really need.
One less screamer.
Whew. This is gonna be the easiest. I wonder if I could solo the entire match. Yeah, that's. I ain't gonna leave here till I get at least 10k points, maybe 15k. Depends on how long it takes. Woo. Yeah. And my lobby is joinable, so feel free to hop in if you. As long as you're not weak. If you're weak, don't join. Ooh, what's that? Don't need you. Ooh. Ooh. I ain't used the bullet yet. 40 kills in. 41. 42.
Frag the zombie.
Oh, I tried to get the bonus at the end. I don't know why I'm wasting frags at this point. But I'm gonna do it anyway. You know what? Is my yo? What's going on? How y'all feeling? Everybody just tuned in. Is my stream leaves 4 hours and less? Yo, Mike, what's the word? Yeah, I joined your lobby in Warzone and you wasn't moving, so I just got on zombies. I tried to hop in with you. I don't know what was going on. Oh, I got hit for the first time. Insta kill. Run it. Oh, I'm gonna die. I missed. bonus points. Oh, you said it was locked. Oh, my bad. Yeah, I ended up just getting on zombies. I was trying to. We can run though. Let me just. Man, you don't have Cold War, neither do you. I was just gonna level this QBZ up. Nah, we can run Warzone. That's fine. Let me go here and just do this thing real quick. Give me like 3 minutes. I'll get it on. Like 3 minutes. Take off. Take off. I really just want to do this Easter egg real quick. Alright, so the QBZ is not it in this game mode. Oh, I bet. So let me know when you're ready.
Infected threat removed.
Yeah, this gun is base tier horrible. Is that C4?
C4.
That's C4? Yeah, that was C4. Yeah, only. Give me that. Stuck him. Double points. Why? Ooh, they making me aim all the way down there for.
Undead Tango down.
But out of ammo. Almost got me. Get me a little scared there. Pick yourself up. You dead. I'm gonna leave him. Oh, oh. Nope, nope. Whew. Clyde. Your two brothers are here to see you. Clyde. You want me to get my fingerprints on there? That's what you want. I'm out of bullets. That's not safe.
Looks like our intel
And
was
I'm
right
short
on the
on
money. Omega Group
points.
equipment strewn everywhere.
3,000
They
points.
did something
2,000.
here, and it opened the
21.
portals around the globe. That your
let's figure
assessment,
this
Mr. CIA?
Pretty much. My contact may have gotten himself killed trying to provide additional insight. Project M
This
Station
ain't
was
looking
not
too good.
experiment gone awry. Abandoned in 45.
I need some bonus
Soviets found it soon after, sealed it up. You'll know more once you get the power on.
I should have streamed Resident Evil 2. Come on, I need power points. I love the boy knife. Stop, look at that. I got no points of power now. Take off. Go ahead, take off. The two brothers are here to see you. Let me go ahead and build this. You did. You did. You did. You did. You did. Another one. You did. You did. Let's see what else going on.
I think it's fair to say that's what Omega Group was investigating.
What's that?
Son of a bitch. It looks just like the others we've seen. Germans must have breached it during the war.
I'm going.
We're desperate at the end.
We go. What do I gotta get to? That's a bug.
Strike team, are you there?
No, the strike team is destroyed. Oh, I gotta go through that tunnel. That's okay. Fuse. What? I ain't never seen it be there before. I guess. Let me make this little pack-a-punch. Get up to this corner right here. And do Easter egg early. I only got 13 bullets. I gotta make every shot count. Every shot. Here we go. That's 1.
Comm link reestablished. Thought we lost you there.
2.
What happened? Where did they go?
If I'm reading this right, I think Strike Team crossed the threshold into another dimension.
Oh, where am I at? Oh, I jumped down far enough. Stop chasing me. There we go. Got all that out the way. 2 minutes. So take a break. Let's see what's going on. Check my notification. Is that a dog round trying to start in the middle of my Easter egg? Why is it a dog round? I didn't even kill the last zombie. Okay, whatever. Y'all see Call of Duty Queen selling. Yo, send some stars. I know y'all got stars. So apparently you can glitch. Oh, wait. If I do this just right. Jump down. Allegedly, I could fall through the floor. Nope, it ain't work. Come on, dog. You don't want to do this to me. You don't want to do this to me. I ain't got no gun. Oh, I got a ray gun though.
Better to have it.
Showtime. Now what I leave up there? Read some text. Bad. I'm finna die. These dogs the only thing that can kill me on this game. I can't stand it. Knock this out early. Yo, what's going on? Hop in the comment section. Oh, too far. Back. Look at that. Ammo's back on. Alright, showtime. Wave 10. I got the only 2 perks I really need for this whole game mode. Time to upgrade my gun. Cost 1,000. I need 500. Rare salvage, bet. Blue cube. Why did I do that? Knowing I'm gonna get rid of this gun.
The Geiger counter's going crazy.
I got a ray
Don't
gun.
know what's over there, but it's big and it's headed your way.
You know what? I forgot to go through the rift. Oh, Jesus. Let's go, Playboy. Eat the shroud. Oh, healer aura. I put on eat the
What the
shroud.
hell is coming off that tree? Looks like it can freeze the balls off a bloodhound.
Say goodnight, shithead.
I need that though.
Believe me, this comes easy.
Split, baby.
It's split in two. Talk about divide and conquer.
Oh, it's 2 of them. Oh! Back up, Playboy. Back up, Playboy. Ray gun rain, that's what they call me. Give me that.
That's the end of that.
Oh, the bonus points. Every time, bro. I always miss it. Let me go get the DIE machine. Give me that. Come on, key card. Got it. I'm
Scanning
going.
for decompressive isotopic estrangement machine.
No. I got a notification for him. It always feels like. So that's a whole GTA mission. Alright, bet. Well, I gotta go now. Get these zombies up in here. Let's get this part started.
DIE signal detected.
Let me open this before I die. Oh, that's a lot of zombies.
Initiating remote activation.
No. I'm gone. Oh, I'm dead. These zombies not dying fast.
Weapon storage at
Oh, just look at that. I'm
fire
done.
when ready.
I'm just getting started.
Raptor 1 is nearby, strike team. Exfil window is
I
short,
wanna keep my
so take
gun,
it now
but I
if you're
don't
ready.
think it's gonna happen.
Heard rumors around this weapon. Some sort of matter absorption and dispersal unit. Whatever the fuck that means.
Start getting this up. Boom. Oh, I got enough to open this. Yep. Pop that. Put that under there. Take off this way. Kill you early. Bust this right. Let me go get this gas real quick. Oop, wrong way. That just cost me my life.
So you collected hound gas. Well done. Something that potent could be enough to kill some local plant life.
Oh,
Thank the R&D
this
boys.
ain't time to pack a punch yet.
All too
I'm
easy.
gonna grab that door. I need that. No extra breathing room. I want extra breathing rooms. Don't hurt nobody. Which way am I going? Let me go collect this juice. It ain't full yet. But now it's full. Drop you. Oh.
I'll take you all down.
Cause it's time to buy armor. That's a dog.
Exfil no longer available. I'll notify you when Raptor 1's back in range.
One less screamer.
Oh,
Lighting
so
Molotov.
close. Ooh, got him. Look at that. Pack punch time. I'm gone. What was I gonna do next? Oh, I gotta build the whatchamacallit machine. I should have probably kept him alive. Wave 13. 135 eliminations. I need at least 1,500 points, which I don't got. Play count round.
Fetch me their souls.
Here we go. What am I doing on this part? Okay, I remember now. I gotta go check. is the most annoying part of the game right here. There's about to be so many dogs. Alright, it's not there. Oh, I missed the stairs. No. Go on. Fix that real quick. Ah, you up here. Okay. Dog City, let's get it. No! Ooh! I am costing myself a lot of health points. Oh no. Oh, it's under the ground. Oh no. Oh, this is nerve-wracking. Hey, tell you like zombies, you can come here, hop in zombies. I'm in zombies. Going on. Run. Chico. How many dogs y'all think chasing me? Oh, God. Showtime. Back up off. Whoa, yeah, I'm out of ammo. Last one. Ooh, got him. Woo. That's nerve-wracking.
Looks like our strike team found part of a device.
Give me all that.
Any idea what it is?
I'd wager it's from our world, an end station solution. Some sort of interdimensional scanner.
Go ahead, take off this way. I muted that server. Why am I getting notifications from it? Do I got 1,000 yet? No, 220. I'm not even close. I really just doing this because I want to get the.
It's our
I
lucky
wanted to
day,
say the
strike
blunder
team.
guy.
We have new
Blunder
orders from
guy.
the director. We are to shut down the dimensional breach in an effort to contain the spread. Suggestions?
I say we
Come
shut
on.
down the cyclotron.
What is happening?
Severing the dimensional connection is our best chance to contain the spread. That computer
No!
must have intel on how to shut this place down.
Alright, let me see.
Anomaly detected.
Run that. Get off me. Whoa, yeah. I'm about to die.
Anomaly.
Save my life. Woo. Woo. I'm gone.
Anomaly detect processing.
Vocal 3rd of April 19.
Whoa. They mad at me again. Go. I need to get some more ammo. Armor.
Anomaly detect processing.
Yeah, take that.
Ulrich Vogel, PhD. 22nd.
Anomaly detected.
I can't do that.
Processing.
They ain't even on me. Alright, I need points. Let's get it.
You get what you deserve. Second threat removed. Who's next? I'm ready.
Oh, that's Mike. I can't fight him. He's strong. Oh, I can give him some work. Oh, snap. Oh. Yeah. He wasn't ready for my ray gun though. Alright, Mike, give me a sec. I'm in my groove now. I'm on a mission. What is these? Oh, ammo. I don't need that. I can't use those.
Warning. Initialization interrupted. Power required.
Alright, let me go ahead and do this.
Now there's something you don't see in your average evil Nazi.
Y'all ain't know what to do next.
Now, I'm no scientist,
Get that Nova
but it
5.
seems like it could
It's
be
called the
used
Die
to restore
5.
brain function and
They
undead
call it the Die
specimens.
Nova 5.
Nova 5. Well, if that's anything like its sister Nova 6, make sure to put that thing away from you when firing.
I just really hate I ain't got no. Let me actually leave that right there. Put that right there.
Cryo emitter, huh? I may not know much about the weapon, but I know what those words mean. You're about to put the freeze on these SOBs.
Dead man neutralized.
Gotta switch back to shockwave. Why didn't I grab the Semtex? And I gotta do. He was just praying. Yeah, I had to get down on him. He's strong. He scares me. I'm gonna start with this one first because it's the hard one. Oh, it's close. I just cost myself some time. I'm gonna regret that. But this helps though, because I can knock out 2 birds in 1 stone. Alright, I'm here. Run upstairs, run upstairs, run upstairs, run upstairs, run upstairs. Get this open. He back. He ain't on the chrome. There's 1. Go back through. I should have went through the regular way. This time I had to go all the way upstairs. Hey, he's so fast. How did he get back over here that quick? The last one, I gotta go by the plane. If this door not open, I'm gonna cry. Oh no, I got it because it's the first one I went to. Crash site for the last. Next goal, 150 followers. I'm at 133 out of 150. Run. Running the wrong way. He making the ground shake. Oh, we gone. I did all 3. First cycle, 2. That's so hard to do when I'm playing with other people. I'm gonna need that. I'm definitely gonna need to reload fast and start now. That might look like BioShock. Hey, no, I do remember me like BioShock 2. Like the Big Daddy. Run that. Showtime.
Electricity based. Bring it back to HQ. I'm sure weapons research will be very interested.
I got 1 more to do. Oh! I wonder if my knife still 1 hit kill. Nope. 2 hits though.
Frag the zombie.
Yeah, you too. I missed earlier. Deal shot daiquiri. I really don't need that. Oh, they got a bet. Look, they not. Oh, they not let me start none of my anomalies. I'm not understanding. No, Taylor need to go ahead and send me them tracks for my background music while I stream, which he never did. Go this way faster. Armor plate. So now I got no like background music because he won't hurry up to send me my background music. Yep, run that. Get back upstairs. You did. And then in the back seat, I'm gonna go ahead and get the fire one, which is called the thermoplasty. Got the thermoplasty. Or thermophasic.
Shoots fireballs.
Whatever they call it.
You know what that means, don't you? It shoots fireballs.
Wave 15. Only 330 kills in, and I have just done all the prerequisites.
Power restored. Proceeding with initialization.
What these did?
Warning. Initialization interrupted.
I'm gonna solo it.
Decontamination agent not found.
Need to look at the decontamination agent.
Wait a minute, wait.
Switch back to
If
electrical.
we could restore brain functionality, and stay with me here, to the correct subject, that subject could then help us deactivate the accelerator.
I like where your head's at with
Oh god, he definitely got it. Yeah, he's supposed to send me
Anomaly detect
an
process.
instrumental. So I can have as my background music on my intro. It's just something that he made, you know, it's royalty free. I wouldn't have to worry about getting copyright, and it's cross promotion for him because of course I would tag him in the comment section, title and all that fun stuff. You peep the name of my title, Maschine. It always feel like somebody watching me. It always feels like.
I do not know why they needed gold for a big fish tank, but at least this is to take out.
That is no aquarium, Kalashnik. Look more like a gas chamber. Fucking Nazis.
Whole place stinks of death, Dmitriev. But you and I will reach long after bad smell fades away.
I hear the zombies, but I don't see them. I think I might have glitched the game. Oh my god. He was about to kill me. Is he not? Okay, he's not dead for real. Alright, got the dark ether wrench. Battery's low. That's not good for as far as I'm into this game. Let me go ahead and change those right now. Hold on, give me 1 second. Let me change these batteries up. Because if these batteries die at this point in the game, I'm gonna die. Mike, give me like 10 minutes. I'm finna do the boss fight, and then I'm hopping on Warzone. I'm almost done. I'm almost done with it. Let me go ahead and do these. Boom. Plug these batteries back up. Got that one zombie still alive. Alright. He's still alive? Alright, cool. You chasing me. But yeah, I'm almost done with the boss fight. I'm gonna try to knock it out. I just want to level my QBZ.
whatever
up,
happened
which
to
I
your
really wasn't
Omega
using,
group's been
so
planning it for some
probably
time.
not gonna level up.
That means the Soviets are well ahead of us.
Alright, this is the
don't
part
like
where it get good.
That makes two
Oh
of
yeah,
us.
we definitely getting big
The
dubs.
Soviets must have known there was a risk turning that machine back on, and they did it anyway.
Oh god, please don't die. Why you hit me?
Semtex!
It always feels like somebody chasing me. Showtime. Yep, I gotta fight. Is that an armored zombie? When did I drop the... Oh my god. Oh, right there. Oh, I'm almost there. Boss fight about to be done. And I'm about to hop back on the zone. I've been on Warzone all day today, honestly. I'm tired of 5:15.
Decontamination agent identified.
Oh, I gotta get the subjects. Alright.
Undead Tango
Raptor
down.
1 in range for extraction.
Initialization complete. Devector operational. Subject required.
Well, we got plenty of subjects. Ideas?
Ideas? Round up the usual suspects, strike team.
Alright, I gotta get above all these zombies and kill them.
Down you go.
Yep. Taking off. 20 seconds left. I ain't got no Megaton zombie chasing.
Dead man neutralized.
Hey, let's get it. I'm about to end this round because they still ain't giving me no giant zombie. At 10K, what I know what I need. Oh, don't mind if I do. Give me that. Your dead shot daiquiri.
Exfil option over.
Oh, y'all spawning.
Down you
there we
go.
go. Okay. Yes, I hear you. Where you at? Where you at? I need brain rot at this point. I can't purchase brain rot? Oh, I got a ray gun.
That's multiple EKIA.
It's gonna always just kill him. So that means I might as well not even waste my ammo. Oh, I bought it already.
One less screamer.
Wait, no I didn't. I bought the shot back.
Ha! I never waste ammo. That pile of bodies? That's a warning.
Oh, there you go. I need you. Come on. Perfect time to play, boy. Come on.
This thing futuristic
Perfect
enough
timing.
for you?
Bro, don't talk about it. Be about it. You gonna throw stuff at me. You don't. Give me that. Alright, he need to get out the way because he's gonna be a problem for me. That's gonna be a problem for me. Come on, little bro. Stop chasing me. I ain't got no beef with you. Come on, little bro. I ain't got no beef with you, bro. Come on, y'all. Walk right under the... Yup, got you. Ah, you fell for it.
Subject acquired.
Is that both of them or just one of them?
Awaiting second subject.
Oh, we gone.
Commencing primary.
We gone. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and do this boss. Talking about my aim is amazing. Now, that's that dead shot daiquiri just made sure I got all them headshots. Ooh, I just dropped my controller. 76. Oh, man. Mom kills her 5-year-old daughter by gouging out her eyes and eating her tongue. What? I don't know why. I don't know what's going on. I say by wave. I can finish this right now. I ain't even gotta wait to wave 20. I do need to go back some more stems though. Doing this solo is about to be horrible. Somebody sound like DJ.
Warning. Subject has broken containment.
Come on, Jack.
Damn creature's flown the coop.
This isn't over. Get after him, now.
I knew you was coming. I just need those. Take off. Oh. Gotta go.
It's almost like I
Didn't know he was in there. I need that. I need to kill all of y'all.
That's the end of that.
What part comes next? I can't remember. Oh, time for me to pack a punch this again. Oh, I know that much.
Dropped another walking corpse.
Oh, I remember now. You. Then go tell his family story. Talk about he about to flip. Hey, nah, I gotta protect him.
Anomaly detected.
While he do that, I'm gonna go pack a punch this one last time. I got everything I need. Once I pack a punch this. Nah, don't need that because I can't use that.
Leave me alone.
Shut up. Shut up. Oh yeah, come on. I want you. Yeah, you dead. Wipe yourself off. You dead. You ain't got nothing for me? Alright, you ain't got nothing for me. You do. Alright, no more points. I got a max electro. Oh. Let me loot up some of these. He's still in there telling his life story. Ooh, and it's Daring Pistol. I mean, zombie essence. Yeah, that. Oh, alright, showtime. Alright, solo boss fight. Can I pull this off? Only one way to find out. So far, it's been 41 minutes. Alright, let's do this. Solo boss fight. Here we go. Let me go ahead and look.
These faces are familiar to me. I knew them once.
Here we go.
Years past. They were my senior. My
Hey, he is. Oh, okay, I never really.
came here to this cursed land to do a job. Amiga, they had me.
You look like DJ, don't you?
Yet they made me turn on this machine of the damned. It caused horrible things.
Ugh.
I caused
That Nova 5 guys.
Amiga group. They have big plans. You are here to stop them.
Here we go.
I will help you.
You gonna help me?
We will shut off this infernal machine.
Let's do it.
Close the gateway. It will be the first step. I will repair the damage I have done.
Okay. Showtime.
Well, how about that? Good thinking.
Get rid of the dogs first.
You can deactivate the machine.
Deactivate the accelerator's priority 1, strike team. If that thing can't do it, buy the time it needs.
Are they attacking him or me?
Thank the R&D boys.
Oh. This is worse than I expected. This is way worse than I expected.
It was never in doubt.
I got him off you, Playboy. You got it. I'm an arm at. Oh, hey, he's dead. I mean,
Second threat reloaded.
I
got you, player. Don't worry about these little zombies. They ain't no milk rum. They better back off my man, though. Oh, the worst part about this game was the dogs. Who's doing this fight? Oh, snap. Here we go.
That's the end of that. This thing futuristic enough for you?
Why I can't do this when I'm running with my team though? I'm running with the team. We be getting down.
This is what I do.
Team gonna be selling me. Let's get it. One more to go. Hey, I'm soloing this. You talking about your dead? Nah, I'm out here going crazy. How many more? Oh, wait. I need to buy some more stems. Is it a machine here for me to buy? Oh. No, 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 no. Now I'm about to lose. Back up off. Back up off. Come on. Oh, shoot. Here we go.
Believe me, this comes easy.
Come on. Die, 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 die. Please die. Yes. Well, I love this gun so
Maybe
much.
reconsider your attack. That it? Really? Undead Tango down.
I'm out of stems. We almost done. We almost done. Let's go. Let's go. I beat the solo. I soloed it. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, I don't need that.
It's finished. You must go now.
Alright, player, I'm out. Oh yeah, make sure I don't touch the little stuff. Alright, come on, bro. I'm here. Don't tell me it glitched. Bro.
That's all I need to hear. Raptor 1 is inbound, strike team. Get the hell out of there.
Oh, there you go. Throw that
Decoy
there.
activated.
Get out the way. Get out the way. Can't go that way. Pretty boy coming through. Me, am I? Ooh, ooh. I'm gone. No! I just almost fell into the lighter. Come on, we gone. We gone. Hit the box because I ain't got nothing else to do. Oh, we gone. Solo exfil. It's done. It's done. Solo boss battle. Come on. Successful exit. Solo wave 19. Solo it. That was too easy.
Good work, strike team. We've closed the breach.
Too easy.
But I got a feeling Omega Group is just getting started.
Let's go. 48-minute run, I think that was. Was that a 48-minute run? Yep. Critical kills, 99. 548 eliminations. I wish I had a double XP when I was doing this. 18 rounds. I could have done this easy in like 20 minutes, but I was lollygagging. I ain't gonna lie. I was lollygagging it. Oh, that was great. That was great. That was a great run. Great run. Great run. What time is it? 5:30. Yeah, 5:30 on the boss run. Just finished. I got 4 crystals. QBZ on that 1 level. I mean, I guess that's cool. Kill 5,000 enemies using the pack a bunch of weapon. Kill 1,000 enemies with explosive damage. Cool. Final stats. There we go. Final stats is good victory. 548 and 0. That was us up. Mike, give me like 5 minutes. I gotta go run upstairs to check on the baby. And then I'm hopping in the WARZONE. So let me launch it now. Send me an invite to your lobby, and then I'm ready.